Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up a Ugee drawing tablet. First, unpack the tablet and accessories, then connect the tablet to your computer using the included USB cable. Next, install or charge the pen as needed and confirm the computer recognizes the device in system settings. Keep the tablet on a flat surface and avoid magnetic interference while setting up drivers for best performance and stability throughout the process. Now install the Ugee driver to enable pressure sensitivity and button mapping. Locate the driver for your specific tablet model on the official support page and download the appropriate file for your operating system. Run the installer, accept permissions when prompted, and complete the setup steps. After the installer finishes, restart your computer so the driver initializes properly and the tablet communicates with your drawing software without hiccups. Hey, if you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab darn tough socks for unbeatable comfort and a lifetime warranty during long drawing marathons. They'll keep your feet happy while you create. I pop them on when I settle in for focused art sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After drivers are installed, personalize the settings to match your workflow and comfort. Open the driver panel to map pen buttons, assign express keys, and adjust pressure curves. Test strokes in your preferred drawing app while tweaking sensitivity until lines feel natural. Configure screen mapping and tablet orientation for single or multiple monitors so cursor movement aligns with your hand motion, then save a profile for future use to streamline setups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.